How to use positive affirmations to transform your life. Want to rewire your mind for success, happiness, and confidence? I'll show you the science behind affirmations. How to craft powerful affirmations. The best time and way to use them. A simple 7-day challenge to reprogram your mind. If you're ready to take control of your thoughts and manifest a better reality, hit that play button. Hey you! Have you ever caught yourself saying things like, "I'll never be good enough," or "I always mess things up"? What if I told you that the words you speak, yes, even the ones in your head, are shaping your reality every single day? In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to use positive affirmations to shift your mindset, boost your confidence, and start attracting success into your life. By the end, you'll have a 7-day challenge to help you make this a daily habit. But before we dive in, if you're into self-growth, mindset hacks, and becoming your best self, hit that subscribe button and join this amazing community. Now, let's get into it. The science behind affirmations. How words shape your reality. All right, let's start with this. Why do affirmations even work? Picture this. You wake up, and the first thought in your mind is, "Ugh, today's going to be awful." How do you think the rest of your day is going to go? Probably not great, right? That's because our brains are wired to look for proof of what we already believe. If you keep telling yourself, "I'm bad at public speaking," guess what? Your brain will focus on every little mistake you make, reinforcing that belief. Science. Fact. Studies in neuroscience show that repeating positive affirmations strengthens neural pathways, rewiring your brain to accept these statements as truth. Your mind doesn't know the difference between reality and repetition. Think of it like planting seeds in a garden. If you keep planting negative thoughts, you grow weeds. But if you plant positive affirmations, you grow confidence, resilience, and success. How to create powerful affirmations that actually work. Not all affirmations work the same. If you just say, "I am a millionaire," but deep down you don't believe it, your brain is going to reject it. So how do you make affirmations that actually stick? Here's a foolproof formula. 1. Make it personal. Use I or my statements. Example, "I am becoming more confident every day." 2. Keep it in the present. Instead of "I will be successful," say "I am successful." 3. Make it believable. If "I am rich" feels fake, try "I am learning how to build wealth every day." 4. Add emotion. The more you feel it, the stronger it works. Examples of powerful affirmations. I am confident and capable in everything I do. I deserve success, happiness, and abundance. Every day, I am becoming stronger and wiser. So grab a notebook and start writing affirmations that truly resonate with you. At the end of this video, there is a link to our store where you can buy an affirmation bundle. When and how to use affirmations for maximum impact. Now that you've got your affirmations, let's talk about when and how to use them for real results. Best times to say affirmations. Morning routine. Right when you wake up, stand in front of a mirror and say them with confidence. Look yourself in the eye and own it. Before bed. Your subconscious mind is most active before sleep. Saying your affirmations at night helps reinforce them while you rest. During tough moments. If you're feeling nervous before a big meeting or overwhelmed, repeat your affirmations in your head to reset your mindset. PRO tip. Write your affirmations on sticky notes and place them on your mirror, fridge, or laptop. Somewhere you'll see them every day. The 7-Day Affirmation Challenge. Now it's time for you to take action. I challenge you to 7 days of affirmations. And trust me, if you commit, you'll feel a shift in your mindset. Here's what to do. Day 1 through. Pick 3 to 5 affirmations that really speak to you. Say them out loud every morning and night, with confidence. Write them in a journal every day. Yes, write them down. At www.abeautifulmind.shop, You can find a bundle you can use in the free version of Canva. Notice how your thoughts and feelings start to change. Comment below. If you're in for the challenge, type, "I'm in. Let's do this together." So there you have it. The power of positive affirmations. Remember, the words you speak to yourself matter. Start using affirmations daily, and you'll see your mindset, confidence, and even your life start to transform. If you need help with affirmations, there is other videos in our channel with some affirmations. Feel free to steal them. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more self-growth, motivation, and mindset tips. I'll see you in the next video. Stay positive, stay powerful.